In this video, we'll explore the tracking view in Iterop Play and see how to quickly access key information about a process instance. From your task list, click on a task to open its execution interface. You'll notice a heart-shaped button at the top of the screen. This is your direct access to the tracking view. In this space, you'll find your favorite data, the key information from your process that you've chosen to highlight. You can customize it at any time by adding new data fields. For example, you can display an important document linked to your instance, which will then appear directly in this space. You can also edit current values directly from this view. If a contact's email address has changed, simply click on the corresponding field and enter the new value. The same applies to any other field in the form. The Data tab gives you access to all of the instance's data. Every piece of information entered throughout the process is gathered here, available to view and edit in one place. The timeline provides a simplified view of completed tasks. Click on a task to view its associated data. This tracking view allows you to access your process instance's data directly from the tasks themselves, visually, without having to navigate between multiple pages.